It's like having 6 wives. We have 6 senses: taste, smell, hearing, seeing, feeling, and our mind. So if a man comes home from work and he's greeted by his 6 wives, each one grabbing, one the leg, one the arm, one the other leg, one the waist, everyone grabbing, come with me, come with me, come with me. A big dilemma, which way to go? Like that, each sense, taste this, smell this, hear this, see this, touch this, think this. The whole world we think for our enjoyment. Everything simply for us to enjoy. This is not the actual fact. Everything was actually created for Krishna to enjoy. We can only enjoy these objects if we give true homage. So what happens, instead of becoming the controller of our senses, we are controlled by the senses. We are dragged here and there. Unfortunately, each sense has got such an appetite, but it's only got limited capacity. I was recently visiting His Divine Grace Jayapataka Maharaj's temple in London, and he served me such a wonderful feast, and my tongue was anxious to go on taking this prasad, but I found that the capacity of my stomach was limited. So after just paying due respect, I had to ultimately stop. You see, I saw in Dallas, there was in St. Louis, there was a restaurant, all you can eat, prasad. But you see, all we can eat is limited. No one can eat so much. But the tongue, our sense, has got unlimited appetite. We can go on feeling, we can go on tasting, we can go on seeing. You see, but actually what happens is that we become bored. The appetite may be there, but the eyes will become tired, the senses will become tired, there's a capacity. The appetite is great, but the senses are all limited. Because we're dealing with limited material instruments. So Krishna consciousness awakens the spiritual taste, where one develops his spiritual senses, and he perceives spiritual realization, spiritual bliss. That is obtained by pleasing Krishna's transcendental senses.